This is Prac with iRepairMD, and today we have a iPhone with iPhone 6 Plus, and we just charged this battery no more than 30 minutes ago. Went to 100%, and you can see it's now at 37. So what we need to do is change the battery. So in this episode, we can go ahead and replace the battery on an iPhone 6 Plus, and this will work for pretty much every iPhone all the way to 7. Okay, and what we're going to need is a new battery, OEM battery. These are the battery adhesive strips. We're going to need one of these dual purpose pentalobe and phillips screw, a heat gun, and let's go ahead with the repair. Okay, first thing we need to do, like with all repair, is go ahead and power down the phone. So we can go ahead and power down the phone. Then, while the phone's powering, we're gonna go ahead with the pentalobe, take the pentalobe screws from the bottom, okay. After the pentalobe is removed, let's put it in a safe place. Okay. Now, what we need to do is to go ahead and pry the screen off. And the screen has a lip right here, has a hinge, and then this is where it lifts up, so we're gonna fold it up. First thing we need to do though is go to the bottom left corner, and let's go ahead and get under the lip. The best way to do this is to use a fingernail or a razor blade, but let's go ahead. Able to pull it up now. As you can see, I'm gonna run my pry tool along the edge, turn it over to the other side, and the phone is actually coming on because I pressed the power button. But once we lift this up, we can go ahead and turn off the phone again. So let's go ahead and lift right here. Okay, let's wait till the phone powers up completely so we can turn it off. All right. While it does that, let's go ahead. What we need to do is, power down the phone. You do not want to do anything with a phone that's completely powered on. Let's go ahead and switch over to the Phillips screw on this side. All right. So now, this is the compartment. These two slots, the two Phillips battery right here. What we need to do is take out, so we can remove the plate. And this is where the battery connector is located. Okay, lift it up, disconnect the battery. Okay, now the battery is disconnected. What we're gonna do now, there are tabs down here. There are 3 tabs. One, adhesive strip tabs. 2, third one right here. Okay, and these are the tab that we have to pull out to release the battery. However, we need some heat in order to make this happen. Okay, so this is the replacement tab that we're going to be replacing it with. What we need to do is go ahead and add heat to the bottom, the back of this, to loosen up the adhesive, so we can do that. So now, where the battery is located, I'm adding some heat. Hold it out for about maybe 30 to 40 seconds. even to a minute if you need to, depending on how warm or cold the room is. All right, now that's enough heat. Let's go ahead and pull up one of the battery strip. So this is the battery strip. Carefully pull it off to release it. See, it's freeing it. So this is like a gummy substance, and what you do is when you're pulling it, you're stretching it. The adhesive that's bonding the battery and to the phone is actually being separated. So the two bonding element is, all right, and you need to heat it up, or else you won't be able to do this. It'll break right off. So now that pulling it out more, so it comes off, okay? And now we have one more strip right here. Okay, and now comes off. You can see the battery slides completely off. Pretty cool. Now let's go ahead and replace the strip. Replace the heating strip. Replace the battery strip. All right, so first thing we need to do is lift this up. Okay, let's go ahead and free the battery strip here. Okay, and so now what we need to do is, you have this piece right here. You simply line it up, put it in right where you saw it, like that. Okay, and now there we go. Now let's go ahead and make sure the battery, let's put the new battery in. Okay, now with the new battery, what we want to do is go ahead and take the new battery out of its case. Carefully unfold it, or just pull it out. There we go. Now let's go ahead and make sure it lines up with the connector. Drop the heating strip in. Now connect the battery in, like so. Okay. Now let's go ahead and, now the phone is attached. Let's power up the phone to make sure that the phone power is on. All right. So now we're done. What we need to do is go ahead and expose these strips, okay? And what I am gonna do is fold these strips so I can access it next time. I'm gonna fold it inward right here. Just fold the strip back in. Okay, so it's easy to access. The way they had it before was that it's overlapping to the battery, and I think that's not that great. So I'm using this so I can, so if we need to change the battery, I can just pull the tab, okay, without damaging the battery. Let's go ahead and put the plates back in. Using a magnetic screwdriver, it helps a lot, especially when these screws are so tiny. Okay. And now, let's put the plate back into place with the Phillips screw. Now close the screen. Okay. Let's just make sure everything is nice and flush. All these are back in. Snapping. Okay. Now you can see 83% or 82%, and this is a brand new battery we just put in. Go ahead and put the pentalobe back into the body. All right. Majority of Apple's product, the iPhone, the iPad, and just pretty much everything that Apple makes that uses the battery, the replacement process is fairly easy. The iPad's a little more difficult, but the iPod and the iPhone's all similar, using the adhesive strip that they have here. But anyways, now we have a brand new battery on the iPhone 6 Plus, and it's ready to go. So this is Prank with iRepairMD. Safe repair, and have a good day.